Create your own magic with these paint-your-own cookie stencils from Confection Couture. After making some royal icing, color it black by adding a couple of drops of DecoPac Gel Colorant and stirring it in completely. Next, position your first stencil over the appropriate cookie to establish exactly how it will fit. Use the Stencil Genie to hold the stencil over the cookie. Also, try some cookie magnets beneath and on top of the stencil to secure everything to the metal cookie sheet. The number of magnets underneath will correspond to the height of the cookie. Next, take a baking spatula and spread the black icing to completely cover the design of the stencil. Take a cookie stencil scraper and push the edge along the stencil, removing excess icing from the surface. If needed, remove the icing from the scraper using the spatula and scrape the stencil once more. Remove the upper magnet and lift the Stencil Genie and stencil straight up away from the cookie. Repeat the process for all remaining cookies and stencils. Next, fill a plain Oreo cookie mold or several small bowls with fresh water and set them to the side. Prior to using each one of your included paint palette swabs, dip it in water and remove excess by rolling it gently on a paper towel. Pick up your first edible paint color by rolling the wet swab through it. Apply the color to the cookie by swirling and rolling the swab into the desired spaces of the design. The same swab can be used for additional colors simply by rinsing it and rolling it 2 or 3 times. Apply the other colors using the same technique. Once you're happy with your creation, place it aside and work your magic on the next cookie. Try mixing colors to come up with your own unique shade as well. These paint-your-own stenciled cookies make for the perfect activity and loads of fun for the children in your life. For more tips and ideas, visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com today.